Hi guys, good morning. Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning, Nageshwar Rao. Good morning.
Yeah, thank you. Yes.
Okay.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Yeah. So thank you. So we'll start session. I hope yes, everyone able to hear me. My voice is audible clearly and screen also visible. Screen also
Yes.
visible. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 1 second. Here chat box is available. You can ping in chat box. Here chat
Okay.
box is ping in chat box. I can speak, no issue. Yes. Today day. Today first day. Yes, what is today's agenda? Yes, today's agenda. Yes, what is today's agenda? So first of all, introduction about me, introducing about me. So first about me. Yes, next day. About yes, about course. Yes, course. So about course introduction. Okay, about course. Okay. So about course. Sorry, what's happening? About course. Yes, next. So next, what is prerequisites to learn Java? What is prerequisite to learn Java? Next, yes, about course contents. Next, about course content. So, what are the contents covering in the course? About course contents. So, all about me. Next, about course. 1 second. Let me mute all. Okay, fine. Yes, sir. Yes, anyone question is there? Just you can ping in chat box. Yes, here I have muted everyone. Ping in chat box. Any questions, any doubts, just you can ping in chat box. I can see here. I can see. Okay. Yes, today's agenda. Today first day. Yes, first of all about me. Next about course. Next, what is prerequisite to learn Java? Okay. Yes, about course contents. Yeah, not only this, only one session. Other sessions, my sessions, other sessions are available. But after 3 days, starting one more session. After 3 days, starting one more session. See here. So next session, yes, at 11:45 a.m. another batch. And this is on 21st. On 21st available. Okay, next evening session after 1 week. Evening session after 1 week. So morning now, right now, only morning sessions. So 9:30 a.m. and 11:45. Yes, evening session next. Evening session next week. Okay, just we are starting alternatively. So 1 week is morning, 1 week is evening. 1 week morning, evening, morning, evening seconds. Okay. Yes. So today's agenda. Yes, about me, about course. Yes, about prerequisites. Next, about course contents. So first of all, about me. Okay. Yes, about me. I think particular interest, especially introduction, may not be required. Yes, most of the students knows about me because all the reference through the references only all the students getting here. Okay. Okay. Even I'll introduce myself. Okay. Yes, this is Nageshwar Rao. 1 second. So yes, shift key is she getting okay. So this is Nageshwar Rao. Yes, this is Nageshwar Rao. Okay. So this is Nageshwar Rao. Yes, well-known trainer for Java, more famous. Yes, in the markets, very famous. This is Yes, Nageshwar Rao. Yes, having 23 years of experience. 23 years of experience in software fields. 23 years of experience. My most of the experience Java. Yes, Hadoop and big data. Big data, next Linux. So as a part of Hadoop, I'm working on Linux also. So here Hadoop, somewhat related to Linux base. If you have the good knowledge of Linux base, easy to learn Hadoop. Okay, Linux. Yes, Hadoop is based on Linux base on here. Linux. Next, as a part of Hadoop of big data applications, I'm working on Python also. This is my area of experience. 23 years of experience. Java, Hadoop, big data, Linux, and Python. This is my area of experience. Okay. Yes, total number of projects. Yes, 18 projects completed. 18 projects completed. Yes, one second. My current working company. Yes, current working company. Current working company. Current working companies. Yes, Silotech Private Limited. Somewhat different name this is. Yes, you can check in Google. Google, we can check it. This is a company. Yes, located in Madhapur. This is my current working company. Presently work from home only. Presently work from home. We are presently working from home. Working from home. So current working company, Silotech Private Limited. Okay. Next is my role. Yes, my role is solution architect. Yes, solution architect. Solution architect. Yes, on Java and Hadoop projects. Java and Hadoop projects. Java and Hadoop projects. So this is my current role. In projects, current role. Solution. Yes, solution architect. So my current role. Current company Silotech Private Limited. Yes. So currently my role in the project is solution architect. Solution architect on Java and Hadoop projects. Hadoop projects. See, totally 18 projects completed. 18 projects completed. Now 19th project started. 19th project started. Started in the last week. Started in the last week. In the last week. In the last week. Okay, so just October month. First week only we started. In the last week only started. 19th project. 19th project started. Okay, in the last week. See, 18 projects. See, out of 18 projects, totally 18 projects here. Out of 18 projects, see, first two projects. Yes, embedded C. Actually, my career started with embedded C. Later, changed to Java. Actually, my career started with embedded C. My career started with embedded C. Embedded first two projects embedded C. My career started in 1997. Yes, 93 to 97 engineering. 1993 to 1997 engineering. Yes, engineering completed. Yes, engineering. Okay, engineering. Yes, from JNTU. JNTU Hyderabad campus. JNTU Hyderabad. Yes, here only Kukatpalli. JNTU, from JNTU Hyderabad. The 93 to 97 engineering. Yes, computer science engineering. CSE. Computer science engineering. CSE. CSE 93 to 97. Okay, from JNTU Hyderabad. Yes, after finishing this engineering, immediately I got the job. Yes, immediately. In final year itself, I got the job. Yes, my first job with the Motorola company. First job. Yes, 1997 with the Motorola company. With the Motorola. Yes, on embedded C. So initially my career on embedded C with Motorola. Later, yes, 2001, changed to Java. Shifted to Java. Changed to Java. Because that time, yes, very hard came. Very hard to change to Java. Okay, 2001 year, changed to Java. So 97 started my career, job career. Okay. Yes, 97, 98, 99, 2000. That years. Almost 4 years worked on embedded C. 2 projects completed. Later switched to Java career because of Java is very hard. That time it was very hard. That's the reason changed to Java. Yes, after that. Next 2013 started big data also. Hadoop and big data. Hadoop and big data. Hadoop and big data. 2013 started Hadoop and big data career. So for the purpose of Hadoop cluster setup, 2013 and 2014, yes, I was in USA. That time, yes, I was in USA. Yes, USA for 2 years. That period on L1 visa, yes, I was in USA to set up Hadoop clusters. Hadoop is basically Linux and Java based. So to set up Hadoop clusters, I was there for 2 years on L1 visa. Okay, at Chicago. Yes, Hadoop and big data. There's that client, Hadoop and big data client. For the client, yes, client is Diebold. Yes, Diebold is the client. Diebold. See Diebold. Let me show that also. Diebold. North Canton office. North Canton is near Chicago. This is. So this is Diebold data center. So this data center like Diebold company this is. Yes, at North Canton this is. North Canton near Chicago this is. So at this data center worked for 2 years. I worked for 2 years. Later returned back to Hyderabad and continued here only. So just 2 years on on 2 years on L1 visa to work Diebold data center. After return back to Hyderabad and continuing. Okay, so Hadoop and big data client is Diebold. Next Java clients. So Java projects. Java clients. Now presently Java client is yes Volkswagen. So previously worked with PayPal. Now it's Volkswagen. Now working with Volkswagen project. So previously with PayPal. Since last project PayPal, now this 19th project recently started, just last week when it started. 19th project last week. This is for the Volkswagen. This Volkswagen client Java and Volkswagen cars manufacturing industry. Right? Volkswagen car famous Java client. This is now currently Java client is this. Yes, Hadoop big data client is yes Diebold. Okay, so this is about my complete career. See, I'm repeating once again introduction just because some late Chinese. Yes, guys. Good morning to all of you. Yes, first of all, introduction about myself. Okay, so today first day. Today's agenda just about me, about course. Next, what is prerequisite to learn Java? Next, about course contents. So this is today's agenda. So first of all, about me. Yeah, this is Nageshwar Rao. Okay, this is Nageshwar Rao. Yes, famous for Java training. Okay, since last 2 years, I'm taking classes for the Durgasoft online training. Okay, completely real-time experience. Since last 2 years, I'm taking online classes for Durgasoft. Okay. Yes, offline is not possible. Classroom training not possible for me because I have to travel to office and traveling to institution is difficult. So taking online classes, not classroom training. Yeah, this is Nageshwar Rao, having 23 years of experience. So my most of the experience Java, Hadoop, Big Data, Linux, and Python. This area, my most of the experience. Yes, a lot of experience. Very good experience here. Any kind of issues I can solve it. Yes, my role is solution architect. Solution architect means this guy has to provide solutions for any kind of issues. Any kind of issues here. Next, he has to design the projects as per client requirements. Solution architect role is he has to design the projects as per the client requirements. He has to design the technologies. Okay. Yes. Current working company. Silutech Private Limited. Silutech Private Limited. It's located in Madhapur. Is my payroll company. This is my payroll company. Okay. Yes. Next. 18 projects completed. Whole career 18 projects completed. Okay. 19th project last week started. Okay. 19th projects. Yes. 18. Yes. For 19th projects. Yes. One second. For 19th projects. Yes. We have taken. Yes. For 19th projects. So this is 19th recently projects. Yeah, this is the email from our HR. Okay, so for the purpose of forwarding email to some students or well-known guys, for that purpose, he has forwarded through the Gmail. Okay, so when I'm sending outside, I should not use office mail. That's reason. Yes, through the Gmail. Yeah, this is duration 9 months. Started project already. Yes, from our old students, last 4 batches I have taken more than 100 resumes forward to this office here. So from that filtered 20 resumes filtered based on communication skills and all this. And finally, yes, around 8 members got selected on this project. We have taken 8 members on this project. My old students since last 4 batches. Okay, last 4 batches here taken that freshers. 8 freshers we have taken. 8 freshers we have taken into our projects. Next, one more thing here on Java. Yes, we have the internship also. If from next month we are offering internship. Okay, I can refer to internship. After finishing your course, I can refer to internship. So next coming students, yes, next month only we are taking internship. From November month onwards, internship here. Who completed Java training, who have completed, or who are in final year, engineering final year. So them, yes, we are recruiting into our company for internship purpose. After finishing internship, yes, we'll take into our company for next projects. Okay, so this is you can find. So 19 projects started last week only. Yes. Now here out of 18 projects, 2 projects on embedded C. Embedded C here. 2 projects on embedded C. Yes, next. Yes, 16 yes, 14, yes, 12 projects. 12 projects on Java. 12 projects on Java. 12 projects on Java. Okay, 4 projects on Hadoop. 4 projects on Hadoop here. Hadoop. Totally 18 projects. Yes, final year students also eligible. Final year students also eligible for the internship. Okay, who completed Java training also eligible. After finishing engineering also, who completed Java training also eligible for the internship. So next month we are taking internship. Okay, I'll inform you that time. Final year students eligible, and next who completed Java training also eligible. Okay, but communication skills is very, very important. In our company, yes, preference will be given communication skills compulsory. For freshers, communication skills required. Good communication skills. Okay, so 2 projects on embedded C, 12 projects on Java, 4 projects on Hadoop. Totally 18 projects completed. 19th project also on Java. So this is my complete experience. That's all about me. Okay, now let us come to actual topic. Yes, about code. Next about course. About your course. So about course. Yes, your course. Core Java, right? It's a core Java. Core Java. Yes, course duration. Course duration. Yes, 75 days. Exactly 75 days. Yes, core Java. Core Java. Duration 75 days. Your course is core Java, duration 70 days, 75 days. Okay, next time, yes, 9:30, 9:30 to yes, 11 a.m. AST. This is time. So core Java, course duration 75 days, time 9:30 to 11 a.m. AST. Okay, yes, next Monday to Saturday classes, only Sunday holiday. Yes, so Monday to Saturday classes. Okay, next, yeah, 3 demo classes you can attend. 3 demo classes you can attend, no issue. You can attend, you can later you can decide it. After 3 demo classes means up to Thursday you can see. Then you can decide. No issue. Okay, 3 demo classes. Okay, 3 demo classes you can see. Okay, yes, next. So what are the services from our side? What are the services? See, daily recordings. Daily recordings. Yes, will be uploaded. Daily recordings will be shared. To your Gmail ID. Share to your Gmail ID. Just Gmail ID. So your registered Gmail ID. Okay. Just within 1 hour. Just within 1 hour of finishing class. 1 hour of finishing class. Okay, daily recordings. Services from my side. Daily recordings will be shared to your Gmail ID. Yes, now its class is recording. No, not today. Class is recording. See that red color, showing some red color symbol, right? Showing that red color means class is being recorded. Now it's recording now. This session is now recording. Okay, so you can just within 1 hour, of finishing class, no delay. That means by 11 o'clock we can, not by 11, by 1 o'clock. So by 1 o'clock, yes, to process that recording, it will take 1 hour. It will take 1 hour to process that recording here. Okay, so after 1 hour, means by maximum 1 o'clock. By 1 o'clock, you can watch that recording. Okay, yes, you can watch any number of times. Yes, you can watch any number of times. No limit. Number of times, no limit. No limit on it. You can watch any number of times. No limit on it. No limit. Okay. Next, one more facility I'm providing from my side. Yes, in institution, other faculties may not be, but I'm providing some extra facility. Suppose any student, is unable to continue classes due to some personal reasons, some personal reasons, maybe some working days, unexpectedly office time changes. Nowadays it's happening because of this work from home. It's happening. Companies are changing some timings. Stand-up call time changing here. So companies are changing the times here. Okay, if any student unable to continue classes due to some personal reasons, maybe office hours changes, maybe college time changes, suddenly getting exams, maybe some reasons. So in that case here, yes, you can attend next batch also. No issue. Next batch also. One more batch you can attend here. Okay, so daily recording sharing here. Yes, you can watch for any number of times. No limit on this. No limit on it here. One second. Let me have some water. Next, any student unable to continue classes due to some reasons here. If the students can attend next batch also, no issue. Okay, so for you guys, recordings provided. Daily recordings plus class documents. The daily recordings. See that recordings. So this is recordings. Now currently 8:30 a.m. batch is going on. 8:30 means 8 o'clock. 8 to 9:30. So this starting this 8 o'clock batch. 8 to 9:30. After that your batch I'm taking. After finishing your batch, yes, my office work will be starting. So recordings. So this is now 35th session going on. 8:30 a.m. Yes, whole records. Yes, one. This is number of records. 71 sessions taken. 71 sessions. Okay, 71 session. Totally 71 sessions. How many days? 71 sessions. See, 17th May started this batch. Yes, August 8th completed. Exactly 78 days taken. 78 days. Only 78 days. 75 days given, 3 days extended. 78 days, 71 sessions means only Sundays taken. Only Sunday holiday. Only Sunday holiday given. All the days taken. Monday to Saturday taken. Monday to Saturday. Yes, strictly. I'm committed to my work always. Committed to time also. So within complete time, I'll finish the batch. Okay, 75 days promised. 78 days taken. In 70 days, 71 classes taken. Next, one more recently started batch at 8:30 a.m. batch. Okay, now it's starting at 8 o'clock. 8 to 9:30 going on. This is just now completed. That batch 6th September started. 6th September started means last month. No, today is 17th September. Yesterday's session is uploaded already. 70 yesterday session. So how many classes? 6th September. So this one 6th. So 1 month 30 days plus this in 40 days. See 40 days 35 sessions taken. See that history. Totally here 40 days classes 35 sessions means only 5 days holidays. Only Sunday holiday. For them only Sunday holiday. That is my track. See the track. Okay. Yeah, this is 8:30 is AM batch and your batch. Next evening, one more batch is going on. Evening 7:30, one more batch is going on. 7:30. Okay. So this is about recordings. So around 70 recordings getting here. Around 70 recordings. Around 70 recordings. 70 sessions. 70 sessions. 75 days. 70 sessions. So about recordings. Recordings plus class document. Now daily class document. Class documents. Yes, class documents. Class documents. This is your class document. Let me show the class document also. Class document. This is class document. It's always open. From morning batch, it's already open. This is a class document. Class document. See here, need not write any running notes. Running notes is not necessary. Yes, you guys don't write any running notes. Running notes is not necessary. For every topic, I have prepared in document. Every topic prepared in the documents. Every topic very clearly prepared in documents. From the beginning to end, last day. Every topic very clearly prepared. Okay, this document same as my order of explanation. So what are the topics I'm explaining in the class? Same topic prepared in document also. Same, this document same as my order of explanation. So what are the topics I'm explaining here? Same thing prepared in document as this. So for explanation purpose, I'll be using notepad sometimes. Using notepad, sometimes using Word. Sometimes using Word. So today, morning batch expand using Word. Just like this object creates that memory map and all this. So using Word expand, sometimes using Notepad explaining. So what are the topics explaining? Same as this prepared in documents. It's there in documents. Okay. So even single point is not missing. Next, one more thing here. Yes. So this document topics and my class topic same as this. That order is same. Okay, this document order and my class way of teaching this order of teaching same, no difference. As is my every line matching here. See, most of the trainers, their class explanation is different, document different. Simply they will prepare the document by collecting all from different sites. They'll go to Google, from the Google different sites, they will collect the yes all the notes and prepare some book simply. So you prepare some document, right? Like a cookbook, simply here. But it's not like that. My document is not like completely my experience. This is completely my experience. Yeah, this document or this kind of document you will not see anywhere. I'm sure. Okay. So this document is different from others. Completely my real-time experience. This is in this document. Yes, more than 300 programs covered. In total course, more than 300 programs we are going to discuss. Next, more than 500 interview questions also covered. For every topic, interview questions prepared. After finishing topic-wise interview questions also prepared. Topic-wise interview questions, topic-wise programs. So everything prepared. More than 300 programs, yes, will be explaining in the class. Okay, next around 100 assignment will be given to you. 100 assignments, you have to solve it. See, there are some questions. So topic-wise questions. So topic-wise. So initially, interview questions. First introduction topic, all the interview questions. Like this topic-wise questions prepared. Yeah, this document is around 550 page document, 543 page document. This is very big document. These are some interview questions. Totally more than 500 questions I have prepared in total course. So very useful document for interviews. This is well prepared documents. Okay. Yes. Next here, these documents daily. Yes, running notes only. This is daily running notes. This document. So here, not required write any running notes. Don't write any running notes. It's not necessary. Just you focus on the class. Try to understand the class here. Okay, don't write any notes. Don't deviate your time in writing writing notes and all this. Just you focus on the class. Try to understand the classes very clearly. Of course, my way of explanation like a very spoon feeding. I'll explain like a, yes, everyone can understand. That's a talk in the market. Yes, Nageshwara sir will explain very clearly, like a spoon feeding. Any kind of student can understand. Like that, I'll explain very clearly. I'll explain. Okay. So yeah, just you focus on the class. Try to understand the classes here. Don't write any notes. It's not necessary. It's a document. This document for you only. I'll share with you this document. This document for you only. I'll share with you. Okay. Yes. So recordings and documents and all this sharing to your registered Gmail ID. Next, apart from JDK software, so Java software means JDK software, JDK and Eclipse, JDK and Eclipse. In JDK, different versions of JDK. Yes, 1.8, yes, JDK 1.9. Okay, next JDK 11, yes, JDK 11 version and JDK 13 version. Up to these versions we'll be discussing. Up to 30. This I'll be sharing this software. So first starting with JDK 1.8, next 1.9, next 11, 13, finally here. So recordings plus documents and JDK and Eclipse will be sharing with you. Okay. Yes. Next. So these are the services from my side. Daily recordings. So recordings plus class document and JDK Eclipse. These things here. Okay. Next here, one more facility. See guys, one more facility for communication purpose. One more facility. Yes, what is that facility here? WhatsApp group. Yes, communicating with you daily communication purpose. Yes, daily communication purpose. I'm using WhatsApp. Daily communication purpose. I'm using WhatsApp. One second. Let me show the current running batches groups. One second. So So this is 8 AM batch, current batch, that communication. Here their doubts, my answers. That batch, current batch. This batch, yes, 34 participants. Yes, I think your batch also will be 30 members, more than 30 by the end of this week. By the end of this week, 34 participants. This batch. Next, another batch, 7:45. 7:45 batch. Evening, 40 participants. Next, one more yours. Your batch. These three batches going on. Okay, only this. Just because of my office hours, yes, I can take only this much of batches. So 8 AM batch and your batch, evening 7:45. They are completed batches. See this. Yes, some students, yes, their questions, my doubts, and all this. Okay, yes. Right. Yes, not in group here. You can interact with you personally also, no problem, no issue. Yes, WhatsApp number I'll give you. Just a minute. Sure. I can share now, no issue. Yes, this is my WhatsApp number. Yes, 8178-189-123. This is my WhatsApp. Take this WhatsApp number. Yes, share your details. I'll add to group. Your name. Next, what's the course you are attending? Next, what's the time you are attending here? Next, Gmail ID. This is here. This is my WhatsApp number. Same number I'm using for calls also. Even for voice calls also I'm using same number. Yes, you can call me. Anytime I can reply. I can answer, no issue. So only time like suppose if I'm in office meeting, that time may not be answering here. Maybe in class also may not be answering. Except that yes, anytime you can call me. Anytime, no issue. Okay, I can pick your call. I can answer. Immediate response, no doubts. Immediate response. Yes, I have that name in students. Students are saying that yes, Nageshwar sir will respond immediately. Immediate response will be there. Any doubts? Maybe your career doubts. Okay, maybe non-IT guys. How to change to IT? So maybe your career, which is the best field for long period job. It's like whatever the doubts you have, even your personal career, just even class doubts, whatever things you can share with me. Just you can ask, just you can ping me in WhatsApp. Yes, I can talk to you, no problem. Okay, so anytime you can ping me, I can answer you. So this is, just take this number, please take it. Please take this number. Yes, please take this number. I'm removing this. Is. Please take this number. Please take it. Yes, okay. I think taken everyone. See about this is course, about course this is. Yes, course Java. Yes, duration 75 days. Time 9:30 to 11 o'clock. Monday to Saturday classes. Classes you can attend. 3 demo classes means till Thursday you can attend, then you can decide it. No issue. Okay. So Monday to Saturday classes. Next services recordings plus class documents, JD conductives. Yes, recordings. So this is a completed batch recordings, 71 sessions. Last session, batch end, 71 sessions. Yes, for this batch, 78 days taken, 71 sessions. Only Sunday holiday. Yes, Monday to Saturday classes, only Sunday, no holidays, only Sunday holiday. Even on Dasra festival also, I have taken classes from one batch. Out of 3 batches for 1 batch, I have taken on Dasra also. Because of that, explanation. Okay, no holiday. Holiday is rare case. Only Sunday holiday. So this batch 78 days, 78 days, 71 classes. Now recently current running that ATM batch. Recently started this ATM batch. 6th September started last month. 6th September means how many days? 40 days. 40 days. 40 days, 35 sessions taken. That is my commitment. Only 5 holidays. Only Sundays holidays. Okay. Yes. So this is about the course. 75 days. So Monday to Saturday, 3 demo classes you can add. That's it. Okay, next recordings plus class documents, JDK and Eclipse. See 1 second, JDK and Eclipse, you need not to download. You need not download. I'll share with you. Yes, these are my office software. My office software. Yes, for this JDK's purpose, you need Oracle accounts. Yeah, don't worry. I'll share with you. I'll share with you. So all these JDK versions I'll share with you. So this is about course. Next year, very important question, $1 million question for non-IT guys. For non-IT guys, maybe this may be $1 million question. Yes, can I learn Java directly without having any software knowledge, without having C knowledge, without having any ID in software? So without IT background, can I learn Java? This is a question. This is a question. Yes, you can learn. Yes, non-IT background guys also can understand here. Nothing required to learn Java. Nothing required. Nothing required. Nothing required. Yes, non-IT background guys also can understand. Non-IT backgrounds. Non-IT background guys also can understand. Non-IT background guys also can understand here. Yes, my topics are like a spoon feeding. Everyone can understand very clearly. Everyone can understand very clearly. Okay, nothing required. What is prerequisite to learn Java? Nothing required. I'm not expecting anything from you. No expectations from you. Okay, non-IT background guys also can understand. Can understand. Can understand this. Okay, non-IT background guys also. See, starting with basics. Starting with basics. So starting with basics. Finally, yes. Finally, taking to high end. Taking to high end. Taking to high end. Taking to high end. So finally taking to high end here. So high end. Finally taking to high end. Okay, taking to high end. See, by the time of finishing course, you'll get very good experience. All the real-time scenarios, starting with basics. So next level, next level, next level. 75 days of journey. 75 days of journey. By the time of finishing course, you'll get some good experience here. So by the time of finishing your course, so by the time of finishing, yes, finishing course, okay. By the time of finishing course, yes, you can put up experience also. You can put up minimum of 3 to 4 years. 3 to 4 years of experience you can put up. 3 to 4 years of experience you can put up here. Yes, here somebody doubt Coursera, can I, yes, with Coursera, can I put up the experience or not? Maybe some doubt. Yes, we can put up. See, there are 2 kinds of jobs. See, developer jobs, Java, developer jobs available. Next, support jobs available. Developer jobs and support jobs. Support jobs. Okay. See, support jobs, Coursera enough. Yes, Coursera enough. Yes, developer job. If it is Java developer job, then core Java required. Core Java and frameworks required. Frameworks. Core Java and frameworks. So when you want to join as developer here, core Java and frameworks both are required. Okay. Support jobs, core Java enough. Yes, many support jobs available nowadays. Many support jobs in market. See, lakhs of applications are developed in Java. 90% of existing applications are developed in Java only here. Online applications, many online applications. Even this go to training, this app also developed in Java. Go to training, go to meeting, online shopping like Flipkart, Facebook, Twitter. Yes, next to WhatsApp. All these applications, almost all online applications were developed in Java. Yes, to support that application, some support case required. Many companies are asking for support case now. So to maintain that application, many companies are asking support case. For support case, course have enough. So by the time of finishing course, you'll be in that position here. I'll make you like that. It's my promise. Okay. Next, I can guide you how to apply for the jobs after finishing course. How can you apply jobs? How to apply for the jobs? I'll give the resume. Then I will guide you. Next, what are interview questions and all of the things prepared in document. Yes, I will guide you. Don't worry. I'll guide you how to get the jobs, how to apply for the jobs, applying as a fresher, applying as a support jobs. Okay, these things. Next, for this purpose, I'm giving support also. 1 second. See, who completed? Yes. See, after finishing course, I'm not leaving. I'll not leaving here. Yes, lifetime support. For that purpose, I have created groups. Yes, after finishing this course here, I will add to on my personal groups. They are my personal groups. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4 like this. Totally 4 groups means around 1,000 members are there now currently. Yes, in that groups, yes, I'll be sharing requirement, company request. See, this is some requirements from the company. So every week I'm getting requirements from the different client, different yes companies. So I'll be sharing with you. I'm helping students like this. Yes, it's wonderful. This is actually okay. This is wonderful. This is wonderful service. Many students are yes feeling happy with this service. It's a wonderful service, no doubt. Yes, all the requirements in the companies I'm sharing with students. So who are matching their yes their knowledge, they are applying for that. Okay. Yes, any requirement from my company also I'm sharing with this. So totally 4 groups now currently. So around 1,000 members since last 2 years, 1,000 members. Yes, data gathered and created group. So after finishing your course, yes, you'll be added to these groups here. Okay. So during the course time, just in your group communication. So this is my personal group. Okay. So like that kind of service also available. Okay, yeah. I'll share this document. Don't worry. The class document I'll share with you. Don't worry. Class document I'll share with you. Okay. Yes. So like this, yes. So developer jobs, next support jobs. So this is non-IT background guys also can understand this course. Don't worry. My topics like a very spoon feeding. Yes, anyone can understand. Anyone can understand. Okay. Yes, next step. So this is about prerequisites. Next about course. What is course? Course contents. Now, yes, many guys are eagerly waiting for this. I think. What are the course contents going to cover? About course contents. See, Java software, JDK rates, JDK Java development kits, Java development kits, JDK totally. Yes, I'll share the document. Don't worry. JDK, there are 4 editions. Now, which one we are going to discuss? See, Java SE. Okay. Yes, calling as yes J2SE. This is calling as J2SE. Yeah, this is yes Java standard edition. Okay, next second one. Yes, JW. Yes, call us J2W. Yes, Java Enterprise Edition. Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. Next third one. Yes, JME. Yes, calling it JTME. Okay, JTME. Yes, Java. Yes, Mobile Edition. Java Mobile. Yes, Java Mobile Edition. Okay. Yes, next fourth one FX. JFX. So this is called a Java effects here. Java effects. These are totally 4 editions. JDK totally 4 editions. Out of these 4 editions, our topic is this. See, out of these things, these two are not using here. Only we are using SC and enterprise. Only these two things. Okay. Only yes, industry using only these two things. See, mobilization in this area, Java is poor. Yes, mobilization for this Android is the best suitable. Mobilization Android is the best suitable. Java somewhat poor in this area. Next, visual effects, Java effects, using for visual effects. Yes, in visual effects of Java is poor. In visual effects, we have different software like Maya software available, Premiere software is available. There are different softwares. Okay, different softwares available. These softwares only Microsoft available. They are using. Industry using Maya software and Premiere software for visual effects. It's like movies, editing movies and all visual effects. For visual effects, these softwares are using. Okay, Java somewhat poor. In this area, Java is poor. Java recommended in this, strongly recommended. Yes, Java standardization. So our course is standardization. So what is Java standardization? Yes, this is Java technology. This is Java technology. This is Java technology. This is Java technology here. This is Java technology. Java standardization is Java technology. Complete Java. So you're learning Java technology. Okay, next enterprise. What is enterprise? Yes, application development. Enterprise is application development. Applications. Yes, apps. Applications like online applications like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Flipkart. Yes, all the applications. For application development, you can use enterprise here. So first learning Java technology. Yes, see after that. Yes, if you want to work as Java developer, you have to move to this enterprise. Application development. Application. This is the development part here. Development area. Application development. It's application development. It's application development. Yes, all the frameworks. The frameworks come from this area. Frameworks like Spring framework, Struts framework. Next, Hadoop framework. Hadoop framework also part of Java. Hadoop framework also part of Java. Hadoop is one of the frameworks in Java. All the frameworks comes from this area. Yes, our syllabus is Java standardization, Java technology. Yes, you are going to learn Java standardization. So our syllabus this area. This is our syllabus. Now Java standardization. What are the topics in this area? What are the topics is covering in this area? So first, yes, core part of Java. First starting core part of Java. Core part of Java means yes, it's a compiler part. It's just core compiler part. Compiler part. Yes, compiler part means like data types. Like data types. Data types are part of compiler. Next, operators. Yes, how to use operators. Next, using control statements. Using control statements. Using control statements. Using control statements. Okay. And next, Java language syntax. Language. How to use Java language. Java language is here. Java language syntax. This is core part. Core part. See in core parts, operators. How to use different type of operators here. Data types like C language. Yes, even don't have C knowledge, don't worry. Don't worry. Here also I can explain very clearly. Data types. Very clearly we'll discuss. Operators also like a C language. Yes, here also I'll explain with examples. Okay, next control statements. Control statements, these are like yes. These are like if statements. Yes, if statements. Next switch case statements. Switch case. Switch case. Next while loop. Next do while loop. Yes, do while loop. Next for loop. These are control statements. Okay, this here is very, very important. Yes, here logic building. Yes, how to build our logic here. Logic building. Yes, I'll spend 3 weeks in this area. 3 weeks. Logic building. Okay, logic building. Yes, 1 second. These some guys are. Yes, 1 second. See, if unable to hear me, unable to hear me, please rejoin the session. Please rejoin the session. Rejoin the session. Okay. Yes, if unable to hear me, please rejoin the session. Just rejoin. Next, select audio while joining. Yeah, some goal, I think. Yes, yeah, why? Yeah, okay, rejoin. Yes, select audio while joining. If unable to hear me, please rejoin the session. Select audio while joining. Select audio. Okay. Yes. So logic building, 3 weeks. I'll spend 3 weeks in this area. Yes, around 100 programs will discuss. Yes, if statement, while loop, do while loop, for loop, 100 programs. Out of 100 programs, 70 programs I'll explain. 70 programs. 70 programs I'll explain. Yes, I will explain. 70 programs I'll explain here. 30 assignments for you. 30 assignments you have to solve it. 30 assignments. 30 assignments you have to solve it. Not 3 weeks, almost taking for 4 weeks. Logic building this area. Yes, 100 programs, 4 weeks explaining. 4 weeks explaining. So around 30 days. 30 days, 100 daily 3 to 4 programs. Daily 3 to 4 examples we're discussing. 100 programs. Logic. This is very, very important. Logic building. How to improve your programming skills. Yes, you have to focus on logic building. Improving your logics. Yes, improve programming logic building and programming skills. Okay, programming skills. Programming skills. Yes, as well. Yes, as well coding skills. Some coding skills. Yes, this area. Yes. So because of students, yes, many students are asking to focus on this area. So I'm focusing on this area. 30 days. First 30 days I'll explain this area. So logic building and programming skills and coding skills. Once you expert with this, then moving to Java Oops. Java Oops. Yes, Oops concept features. Yes, 1 second. Let me show the document also. The score part. See document, this document is your class document starting with basics. What is software? What is system software? What is application software? What is OS? Next, see what is front end, what is back end, languages and packages. Next, generation of languages. Next, low level languages, high level languages. Next, so what is interpreter and compiler? All the basics. Okay, interpreter and compiler. Yes, after Java, about Java. Java working based on what? Interpreter or compiler. That's about Java. Next, Java features. All the Java features. Java features. Yes, difference between exe file dot class file. Exe file dot class file difference. Java features like independent platform, portability, all these things here. Java features. See, Java standardization, integration, and mobilization, all this effects, all that features. So these things, your document, this is your document. So here Java installation topic, this Java installation, how to install Java, how to set up Java, that installation part. Yes, very clearly prepared in document, like a spoon feeding. Yes, in Eclipse, how to use Eclipse here. Eclipse IDE, the steps. Okay, after that, programming starts. Next, JVM, how JVM is working. about JVM. So after JVM, next data types, Java data types. How to use Java data types? See, Java data types explain including memory map. Including memory maps with bits and bytes. How that bits and bytes are working. Okay, very in-depth explaining here in the classes. Very in-depth bits and bytes. Okay, I think already your friends might have informed about this. My way of explanation and all this. Next, programming. Yes, how to use variables. Variables uses. Yes, next. Yes, operators. Java operators. Yes, using Java operators examples. Increment, decrement operators examples. Okay, next mathematical operators examples. Next control statements. This area. Okay, control statements. See, especially programs. See, if statements. Some questions prepared. Some requirements. Some assignments. If statements. Yes, an if statement around 20 programs I'll be covering. 20 programs. You can see in document also. If statement programs. See, if statement programs. 20 examples will be discussing an if statements. Different scenarios. Improve your logic here. Logical thinking. Programming skills. 20 programs I'll be explaining on if statements. Next switch case is around 5 examples. Switch case very simple topic. 5 examples on switch case statements. After that, next loop starts. Next loops. Yes, loops. More than 50 programs. Loops. List of programs. Loops. That list. That list. Yes, in this text file, yes. How many totally? 44. Yeah, 41. 41 will text. Apart from the others also. So around 50 programs will be discussing in loops, like pattern programs and all this. This is to develop the logical building, logics, how to develop your logic, improving logics and programming skills. For this purpose, yes, 100 programs. Only loops area 70 programs, if statement 20. So told, yes, loops area more than 50 programs will be discussing. If statement 20. So next others, totally 100 programs will be discussing. Okay, before going to oops, 100 programs will be discussing. Okay, not only here, next, yes, after finishing loops, next arrays concept is there. Before going to oops, there is arrays concept. This loops area, this document, that all the programs prepared in documents, programs very clearly prepared in documents. Just suppose this kind of diamond shape, to print diamond shape, some programs, logic building. Yes, this shape, butterfly shape. So pattern programs. So vertical butterfly, horizontal butterfly, like this pattern, some diamond, inner diamond, like this type of things. Next arrays. Yes, in arrays also. Yes, around 20 programs will be discussing in arrays. Like in arrays, searching techniques and sorting techniques, linear search, binary search in arrays. These all are the programming skills. Yes, minimum required searching techniques and sorting techniques required. Everyone required these kind of techniques. How to find the maximum value, minimum value, and the average, maximum value, minimum value, average value, total value. Next, searching for particular number, searching for ID. Okay, next sorting numbers, sorting strings, searching linear search, binary search, linear search, binary search. Next, sorting like bubble sorting, instant sorting, and all the searching and sorting techniques explained here. Around 20 programs in this. After finishing arrays, next starting oops concept here. After finishing arrays, that all the basics finishing here, the Java basics finishing here. After that, next starting oops concepts. Yes, up to this is arrays topic. Next methods topic. This is in methods also some examples will be discussing. So methods next. Yes, interview questions, topic wise interview questions are there. They are interview questions, topic wise. Next OOPS. So by the time of reaching OOPS, you will be perfect in programming logics. Okay, good programming skills. Then you can understand OOPS very clearly. So first here, how many pages? Yes, 140 pages. So first 4 weeks spending in this area. Logical thinking, improving your programming skills, this area. After OOPS. Yes, OOPS, what are the topics here? Yes, OOPS. So first, OOPS features like encapsulation, next data abstraction, encapsulation, yes, data abstraction, encapsulation, data abstraction. Okay, yes, features of OOPS. So first, OOPS concept features here. So what is encapsulation? How to work on it? Okay, yes. Yes, encapsulation, data abstraction, encapsulation, data abstraction. Yeah. So OCJP enough. Yes, my course is enough. You can crack it 100%. Yes, but at the end you need simple guidance required. Just a little bit guidance enough. Yes, I can guide you. After finishing course, little bit guidance. Just 1 hour guidance is enough. You can crack it. 100% you can crack it. Yes, OOPS features. First encapsulation, next data abstraction. Yes, after that method overloading. So next method overloading. After method overloading, next is constructors. How to use constructors? So using constructors. So using constructors. After constructors, next inheritance. Next topic is inheritance. Yes, inheritance. Next is inheritance. How to use inheritance here? Constructors, inheritance. After inheritance, next, yes, method overriding. Concept. Method overriding. So method overriding. After method overriding, yes, next polymorphism. Yes, polymorphism. Yes, after polymorphism, next, yes, access specifiers. Next, access modifiers. Access modifiers. So these all the OOPS concept features how to implement in Java. Implementation of OOPS features in Java. First encapsulation, next data abstraction. Just one second, let me have some water. One second, let me have some water. Just a minute. Yes, encapsulation, data abstraction, method overloading, next constructors, next inheritance, method overriding, polymorphism, next access specifiers, access modifiers, next interfaces concept here, interfaces, yes, interfaces, next packages, how to create packages, next garbage collection, garbage collection. So these are the concepts in OOPS. It's a OOPS area. It's OOPS area. After finishing OOPS concepts, next, yes, strings. How to strings here? String classes. Next, string class, string buffer class. Okay, next string. Yes, string tokenizer class, string tokenizer class. Yes, next string builder class, string builder. These are things. String buffer, string tokenizer, and string builder. How to teach these classes? See, this is to handle the strings. These are to handle strings. Depends on requirements, we can use different kind of classes. Depends on requirements, we can use different kind of classes. All the cases we can't use all the classes. Some cases using string class, some cases string buffer, some cases tokenizer, some cases string builder. Okay, after finishing strings here, so next topic is objects wrapper classes, object wrapper classes. So what is this one here? Object wrapper classes to make everything is object in Java. Yes, to make everything is object in Java. To make everything is object in Java. Everything is object in Java. Everything is an object. Is an object in Java. To make everything is an object in Java. Yes, main purpose of OOPS is to get the data security. Yes, why OOPS introduced here? Reason to get the data security. To achieve data security, the OOPS concept was introduced. Yes, if data in the form of object is served, this is security for data. To make everything is object in Java, this object wrapper classes were introduced. Yes, in actual topic we'll discuss very clearly. I'll explain. Okay. Yes, after finishing this object wrapper classes, so next one is exception handling. Exception handling. So exception handling. So what is exception here? See, exception. What is exactly exception? Exception means yes, abnormal termination. Yes, abnormal. Yes, abnormal termination. Exception is abnormal termination. See, application terminating abnormally means suddenly. Abnormal termination suddenly terminating. Suppose Java application connected to database. For example, banking application connected to database. While reading data from database, network failed. Banking application connected to database. While reading data, at the middle, maybe suddenly network is down. When network is down, application terminates, but it should not terminate. Application should not be stopped. It should not be stopped suddenly here. That application has to display one message. The Java application has to display one message like network is busy, network is down, please try again. That kind of message. So generating that kind of message, nothing but exception handling. Suddenly something happening in the application here, that is displaying one message. That is nothing but exception handling here. This is very, very important. An interesting topic also, exception handling. After finishing exception handling, so next is collections. Yes, collections. Yes, this is most important topic, collections. Without collections, no Java projects. Collections, very, very important here. So collections, nothing but data structures. Data structures part here. Data structures part here. Collections, they're like a data structures. Like a C language data structures, like a linked list, single linked list, double linked list, stacks and queues, like that in Java also. Data structures part. Collections. For collections in this, some listing components, next queue components, listing components, and the queue components. Yes, next. Yes, map components, listing components, queue components, map, yes, components, next set components. So what's the purpose of these collections exactly here? See, Data. Generally, data maintaining the database, right? Database is to maintain the data, millions of records, maintaining data. But sometimes here, that millions of records has to maintain the application itself, means inside the RAM memory. Millions of records maintaining the RAM memory. Suppose if data in the database, Java application has to connect to database and reading from database. Time taken. Instead of that, that data has to maintain the inside the RAM itself. If data maintaining the RAM, that gives a more performance. To improve the performance of applications, here, yes, huge amount of data has to maintain inside the RAM memory only. To get more performance, that millions of records has to maintain in the RAM itself. So how to maintain huge amount of data in the RAM here? Collections is the way. So using collections, you can maintain huge amount of data in RAM. Okay, see data. So they depends on different type of data, like structured data. Next, yes, unstructured data, structured data, structured, unstructured data. Next, semi-structured data. Depends on data, we can use different kind of collections here. Yes, structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. Okay, structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. Depends on different kind of data, we can use different kind of collection components. Here, this is more important topic too. Yes, main focus in this area compulsory. Without this one, no one take the interview. In every interview, even guys who are having 10 years of experience also, compulsory how to face the interview and collections. Yes, industry will prefer the collections compulsory. Yes, my favorite topic this is. Okay, because in many projects we are using this is. Yeah, almost every project is required. Many times, many projects we use it. I have very good experience with collections. Okay, after finishing collections, so next topic is yes, IO streams. Yes, input output streams. This is nothing file handling concept. It's a file handling concept. File handling, like text files, okay, text files, CSV files, next Excel files, next XML files. The different types of files, PDF files, next JSON files. There are different types of files you have to use in real time. Text files, sometimes CSV, comma separated values, CSV, comma separated values, CSV files. For example, project folder MN. Yes, CSV files. So this is some example data, CSV data example. CSV files, CSV. Sometimes getting big data files. Some big data files, CSV files. It's all that my material is actually. For working purpose, I'm using this material. So this kind of data, big data. How to process this kind of big data? Yes, around 45,000 records. How to process this much of records? Big data processing. At server side, you have to process this much of data here. Okay, how to process that data? Okay. Yes. 1 second. Yes. So that CSV file, comma separate values, Excel file, sometimes data getting in form of Excel sheets, sometimes XML file, PDF file, JSON files. Different formats you have to handle. This area we'll discuss one real-time projects. On data processing. Okay, at the server side, how the data is processing here. So for example, Flipkart, when you placed some order, the order how it will process at the server side. Suppose checking for our order status. When you submit your status here, yes, your order ID simply go to server at the server side. Yes, at server side, many number of records, millions of records. Server side has to pick millions of records in that searching for your order. Yes, how the data processing is happening. That concept will be discussed in this project here. Data processing, what was happening at the server side. When you submit it for your order status, what was happening at server side? It has to filter millions of records. Not only your order here, so many number of orders, right? So daily many orders they are receiving. So in last week orders, they have to search for every record. Means they have to process millions of records. That application has to process millions of records here. That concept we'll discuss in college. Okay. So IOS teams. After finishing IOS teams, so next topic is networking. Yes, networking we'll discuss here. Networking. Networking is TCP and UDP. TCP and UDP. 1 second. Let me have some water. Yes, networking, TCP and UDP. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. This is one-to-one communication. One-to-one communication. Right? This area we'll discuss one-to-one communication. Yes, we'll discuss one chatting application. Yes, I'll explain chatting app like WhatsApp chatting. Like WhatsApp chatting here. So how to develop chatting application? Okay. Yes, how to develop chatting application on this. Okay. One-to-one chatting application like WhatsApp kind of. Yes, very funny application, very interesting. Okay. Yes, very interesting application this. You'll see that time, yes, when you're working on this here, after developing here, once application live, you'll see that practical things you can see here. Okay. Next UDP, user datagram protocol. This is one-to-many communication, one-to-many. It's a one-to-many. Okay, means it's a broadcasting here. It's a broadcasting. It's a broadcasting. It's a broadcasting. It's a broadcasting. This is broadcasting. So one-to-many. It's a broadcasting. Okay, yes. What is broadcasting? Means one like a radio. Radio. So that kind of applications we'll discuss. See, one computer sending data to many computers network. One computer sending data to many, one-to-many. One computer sending data to many computers. For example, here, take some bank. Suppose there is Axis Bank. Axis Bank at the end of day, they have to deliver some reports to all their branches. From the head office, they will send some reports to every branch. So one-to-many. From head office, there is a server. The server will be sending all the documents, the reports documents to all the branches. That's one. Exactly same kind of application we'll be discussing. One-to-many. One computer delivering data to multiple computers network. Yes, exact same application we'll discuss. Practically, I'll show you here. Okay. Next, one-to-one, like a WhatsApp chatting. So networking, half networking. Next one is yes, multi-threading. So next is multi-threading. Yes, multi-threading topic. So multi-threading. Yes, multi-threading. So multi-threading means like application dividing into multiple parts and running parallelly. Right, it's running parallelly. Okay. So multi-threading concepts. Yes, up to this your syllabus, but actually SC in JDBC also there. JDBC is also part of SC, but not covering in your course. JDBC advanced Java. JDBC will take for 45 days topic. It's very big topic. Okay, so JDBC I'll cover in advanced Java. Yes, anyone continuing for the advanced Java, you can learn there. So I have the core Java plus advanced Java. I'm taking advanced Java class also. So JDBC Java database connectivity. So next one is yes AWT. Abstract windowing toolkit. Next one is applets. Applets. Yes, these are outdated topics. These two are outdated. AWT outdated. Yes, no one using it. It's an outdated topic. Outdated. Yes, outdated around yes 2004. 2004 year. Yes, that time only outdated. Outdated topics. These two are outdated. No one using here. So for this AWT, okay. Yes, abstract windowing toolkit. In place of that, now we have the frameworks. Frameworks have replaced this one here. No one using. Okay. See, our syllabus is up to multi-threading. After finishing multi-threading here, next version-wise features, JDK 1.0 features, JDK 1.0, next JDK 1.1 features. Yes, next JDK 1.2 features. Yes, so version-wise here, JDK 1.3, next 1.4. Yes, see, I work with every version. I have live experience. See, more than 20 years of journey with Java. 2001 started Java career. More than 20 years a journey with Java. Yes, Java it has become like my life partner, like my wife. Yes, Java also traveling with me. My wife traveling with me, and this Java also traveling with me. It has become part of my life. Okay, so here like every version I worked. So 1.5, yes, 1.6, next 1.7, next 1.8. So 1.8 called as Java 8. From 1.8 onwards, calling it Java 8, Java 8, Java 9, yes, Java 11, and Java 13. Up to 13 we'll discuss. Java 13. Java 13. Now currently industry using Java 8 and 9. Yes, main focus in this area, Java 8 and 9. Okay, since last two projects we are using Java 9. Since last two projects we are using Java 9. Now current recently started project also we are using Java 9 only here. See, industry not yet using Java 11 and 13, but our team updated. Already our team update, and yes, our Java team is very big team. Yes, around 175 members are there. Very big team. 170, yes, Java based. Yeah, that company Silotech, mainly Java based company. Very strong in Java area. This company Silotech, where is that? Yeah, this is very strong in Java area. Java area and Oracle ERP. Java and Oracle ERP is very strong this area. Yes, more than 175 members are there. Recently also we have taken more than 35 members, around 35 members we have taken. Okay, 35 members taken. So now it's 175 members team. In the team, yes, I am the main I am the architect. Okay, in that team, in that big team, not only me here, yes, around five members architects are there. Yes, 175 divided multiple teams. Many teams are there. Okay, many teams. Around 15 teams are there. 15. Some teams are 3 members. Some teams are 10 members. 20 members team. Yes, on-site team. Yes, offshore team. There are different teams are there. So more than 175 members are there. Yes, Java-based team. Java-based company completely here. Yes, very good team. Many are there, many resources. More than 175 members are there. Completely Java-based. Many projects we have Java-based. So this is so now our yes, all of our yes employees, Java employees updated, already updated. 11 and 13 are updated. If any client is asking for 11, yes, we have to work on 11 also. Yes, maybe some client also asking for this. Client also will choose versions here. They'll ask for particular version they want, particular features they want. Okay. So if any next client is asking for Java 11, yes, we are ready to work on Java 11. So for you guys also, I'm explaining up to 13 here, all the features. Okay, Swing components, JFC, that is also outdated. Swings AWT, both are outdated. No one using. In place of that, now we have the frameworks. In place of that, we have the frameworks. Yeah, that is outdated. So these are complete syllabus. Up to 13 will be discussing complete syllabus. Okay, after finishing multi-threading, just going to this. So in your syllabus, first 4 weeks, logic building. Focus on logic building, programming skills as well, coding, improving your coding skills. First 4 weeks, focus on this. Okay, next whoops features, next others. These complete your syllabus. So to finish your syllabus, it will be taken for yes 75 days. 75 days. 1 second. Totally 75 days, 9:30 to 11 o'clock time. Yes, committed time is committed time here. Okay. Yes, 3 demo classes you can attend. So till Thursday you can attend, no issue. After that you can decide it. Okay, next. When come to services, recordings plus documents and JDK and all this. Next, apart from that, WhatsApp communication, daily communication purpose using this WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, that communication purpose I'm using here. So any doubts you can ping me anytime. I can respond you. Anytime I can respond you. Okay. See Java students, it's daily communication, daily communication. See that. See already somebody 9:30 a.m. 8:03. See yesterday all that communication. Daily how I'm communicating with students. See that communication. Day-to-day communication. 4th day. Yes. First 30th, 29th, 28th, 27th, like this. The daily communications. Yes, day-to-day communications. So daily communication it's very interactive. Yes, I'm friendly nature, like your friends. Anytime you can ask me any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, no issue. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. I'm sharing this. Take this number and share your details on the active group. Please take it. Till anyone not taken, please take it. Yes, exactly. Class starting at 9:30. No delay. Most of the trainers in market, yes, minimum 20 to 30 minutes delay. They will start the session. But our class exactly 9:30 means 9:30 only. Exact sharply. And 1.5 hour class. Yes. Yes, my commitment is different. So my commitments no trainer will have that kind of commitments. 75 days means 75 days finishing course and completely purely that 1.5 hour class subject discussion about subject only here. No outside topics. Most of the trainers they will talk about outside things, unnecessary things, but it's not like that. My classes are not like that. Okay. Yes, purely subjects. I'll talk about subjects, purely real-time oriented. Okay. What's happening, the applications, only that kind of things is there. No personal things, no outside things. Just strictly, dedicatedly your class. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. Any doubts, guys? Yeah, that's all for today. Any guys? Yes, any day, any doubts? Yes, daily 9:30 to 11 o'clock strictly. Today, 5 minutes extend. Yeah, tell me. Vaibhav, what's your question? Yes, after finishing class, I'll spend some 15 minutes for your doubts. Just see, at the time of class itself, you can ask doubt, no issue. Okay. At the time of class itself, you can ask doubts, no issue. Okay. Yes, about fee and all this, just you talk to online team, just online team number. Yes, one second. Yes, definitely you're more than expected subject I can give you. Yes, unbelievable subject, more than expected time, more than expected. Yes, syllabus more than our expectation, 100%. One second. 720 7 2124 2124 27. Yeah, you can continue for advanced Java also. After finishing core Java, you can continue for advanced Java also. Yes, yes, this is online team number. Just you can talk to online team for more information about this. Okay. Next, one more thing, you will be receiving email. Yes, after finishing class, yes, you will be receiving one email from the Durga Soft about feedback. For the purpose of feedback, they will be sending email. Okay, there they will mention what's a course fees, what's a course duration, everything they will mention, and payment details like account details and Google Pay number, everything will be given in that email. We'll be getting email. Yes, maybe by 12 o'clock we can get the email. In that email you can see. Yeah, they'll be sending one email by 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock or by the evening. Yes, will be receiving one email. In that email you can see every information. Okay. Yes. So that's all. Any doubts? See, everyday class daily recordings immediately will be sharing. Yes, no worry. I'll share the recordings immediately. So by 1 o'clock, I can share your recordings, daily recordings. And the class documents also I'll share with you. This document for you only. I'll share with you. Okay, to your registered Gmail ID. Yes, registered Gmail ID. I'll send everything to your registered Gmail ID. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. Any doubts? If no doubts, let us wind up session. Yes, we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow sharply 9:30. No delay in session. Sharply 9:30. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Thank you. Have a great day.